Okay, so we have this device, KIT341 CMFW. So it can be used as outdoor device. So I connect with the same network. So select language, then set the password. Okay, same, activate, and then so network, so it change, then set the time zone. Okay, next. No need to install the Wi-Fi, enable the Wi-Fi because you have internet already on the LAN. Then this will be not yet detected, so you need to activate this one. Okay, language, the question. Okay, wired network, HCP, next. Connect, you can do it later. Okay, so just refresh this one. Reviews, next.
Authenticating failed.
Now it shows here this device. Okay, next. Door extension, no need. You connect, you can set your okay, finish. No need for this one. It's working fine. So this is the camera. Okay, so you can.
The door is open.
Then for calling, this is the room number 1, no? Number 1 and call. It's calling.
The call is rejected.
Then we can register. User add face. Card. Okay, fingerprint.
Press your finger. Press your finger again. Press your finger. Fingerprint collected.
Then need to check to save. So here, if I put my face,
Thank you.
working.
Thank you.
Mm.
Thank you.
All of them.